Hello friends, today we learn profit and loss. What is cost price? The price at which an article is purchased is called the cost price. And what is selling price? The price at which an article is sold is called the selling price. When selling price is greater than the cost price, then it's profit, and when selling price is less than the cost price, it's loss. So, suppose we buy one book with 100 rupees and we try to profit 20%. So we sell it 100 plus 100 into 20 by 100. So it's mean 120 rupees. Suppose we buy one book 100 rupees. We make a loss 10%. Then what is the selling price? The selling price is 100 minus 100 into 10 by 100. So it's mean 100 minus 10 equal to 90. And we always know profit. Profit means selling price greater than cost price. And loss. Loss means selling price less than cost price. We remember this formula. Profit or gain equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Selling price. If cost price is given and we find the selling price, then the formula is cost price into 100 plus P by 100. So, whenever the price is 100, we sell it 120 rupees. And when 120 by 100 rupees. Suppose, say the price, actual price is 50 rupees. Then its price 60. Whenever the book's price 100 rupees, we make a profit 20%. Then we sell the books 120 rupees. But whenever the book price is 50 rupees, we sell it 60 rupees. So this is the formula, cost price into 100 plus P by 100. P means profit. And whenever they make a loss, suppose say whenever the price is 100 rupees, but we make a loss 10%, means we sell it with 90 rupees. And the price is 50 rupees. Then 90 by 100, and if 50 rupees, then 90 by 100 into 50 equal to 45 rupees. Then we sell it 45 rupees because we make a loss 10%. So here is the formula, selling price equal to cost price into 100 minus L by 100. L means loss. And percent profit. Percent profit equal to selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100%, 100. And percent loss equal to cost price minus selling price by cost price into 100. Okay, first question. Here say find selling price when cost price equal to 56.25 and gain 20%. We just write the formula, selling price, and here say gain. Gain means profit. Gain means profit. So we use this formula 100 plus P by 100. So selling price equal to cost price 56.25. Gain 20%. So 100 plus 20 by 100. So 56.25 into 120 by 100. And 2, 6, 12, 2, 3, 6, and here 2, 135 by 2, it's mean 67.5 is the answer. Next question. Cost price equal to 80.40 and loss 15%. Here gain means profit and here loss means 15%. So we use this formula, selling price equal to cost price into 100 minus L by 100. So selling price equal to 80.40 into 100 minus 50 by 100, 85 by 100, then 210. Okay, then 201 into 17 by 50. 201 into 17 by 50. It's mean 17, 7, 1, 3417 by 50. 3417 by 50. It's mean 68.34. 68.34 is the answer. Next question. If cost price is 2516 and selling price is 2272. Cost price is 2516 and selling price is 2272. Find the percentage loss. Percentage loss. So we use this formula. Percent loss equal to cost price minus selling price by cost price into 100. Cost price 2516, 2516, selling price 2272 minus 2272 by cost price. Cost price means 2516 into 100 because here say loss. So into 100. So it's equal to 442 by 2516 by 2516 into 100 into 100 equal to 4 6100 by 629. 6100 by 629. So it's mean equal to 0.0 equal to 4.0 So the answer is 9.69%. 9.69% is the answer. Next question. A gold bracelet is sold for 14,500 at a loss of 20%. What is the cost price of the gold bracelet? Here also say the loss. So we know the formula. Percent loss. Percent loss equal to cost price minus selling price by cost price. Here say selling price equal to 14,500 and we find the cost price. We find the cost price. So we use the formula cost price minus selling price. Selling price equal to 14,500 by cost price into 100. And percent loss here say 20%. So 20. So here we write 20 means 20 equal to cost price minus 14,500 by cost price into 100. 20 cost price equal to cost price minus 100 cost price minus 14,500. Here 5. So cost price equal to 5 cost price minus so here 4 cost price equal to 72500. So cost price equal to 18125. So cost price equal to 18125. Next question. Manushi purchased a car for 2,50,000 and sold it for 3,48,000. What is the percentage profit she made on the car? So we know the formula percent P equal to selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. So we use this formula percent P equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100. Then 3,48,000 minus 2,50,000. 2,50,000 by 2,50,000 because here say the cost price equal to 98,000 by 2540 into 100. So 196 by 5 equal to 39.2%. So see what is the percent profit she made on the car. The percent profit she made 39.2%. Next question. The owner of a cell phone charges his customer 23% more than the cost price. If a customer paid 7,011 for a cell phone, then what was the cost price of the cell phone? Here also we find the cost price. We know the formula selling price equal to cost price into 100 plus P by 100. P means profit. So here say the profit is 23%. Here also say the selling price is 7,011. We find the cost price easily from here. We know the formula selling price equal to cost price into 100 plus P by 100. Here selling price 7,011 equal to cost price 100 plus 23 by 100. So cost price equal to 7,011 into, it means 123 by 100. So 100 by 123. So it's mean 57. So 5700 is the answer. So the cost price is 5700. Next question. By selling an article for rupees 72, there is a loss of 10%. In order to gain 5%, its selling price should be. Here we learn selling price say 72. There is a loss of 10%, means loss equal to 10%. So we know the formula selling price equal to cost price into 100 minus L by 100. So cost price equal to 72 into 100 by 100 minus 10. So it's means 7200 by 90. So 80. 80 is the cost price. Now say in order to gain 5%, its selling price should be. Now we want to gain 5%. So selling price equal to, we know cost price into 100 plus P by 100. So 80 is the cost price. 80 into 100 plus P. P means gain 5%. 100 plus 5 by 100. So 100 plus 5, 105 into 8 by 10. 84 is the answer. Next question. Salo sold a mobile phone at the cost of 1950 at a loss of 5%. At what cost will she have to sell it to a profit of 30%? So here the same question. selling price equal to 1950 and here say loss equal to 25%. So loss equal to 25%. So how we find the cost price? Selling price equal to cost price into 100 minus L by 100. So 1950 equal to cost price into 100 minus 25 by 100. So cost price equal to cost price into 75 by 100. So cost price equal to 1950 into 100 by 75. So 650 into 4 means 2600. Now say to get a profit of 30%. So we easily find selling price equal to cost price into 100 plus P by 100. So cost price here 2600. So 2600 and profit say 30% profit. So 100 plus 30 by 100. So 2600 into 130 by 100. So 26 into 130. 26 into 130 means 0833. So the answer is 3380.